Hi everyone, I'm Roy, and today I'll be talking about STEM, ticker symbol STPK. Now, the video will be split into 5 parts: a brief overview of the company, the importance of their AI system, financials, and competition. Let's talk about the overview of the company. I am sure you have heard of STEM. So I will keep this introduction short. Well, STEM STPK is an energy storage company focusing on battery storage systems, battery optimization, and network integration. Mike Morgan, chairman of STPK, who joined the STEM's board of directors, said STEM is a leader in one of the fastest growing markets in clean energy, and the first pure-play smart energy storage company to go public. Before I go over what value STPK adds to the battery storage space, I will briefly go over the market itself. As you know, recently there has been rapid growth in the renewable energy space. However, battery storage, mainly for storing energy from renewable sources, have yet to see the exponential growth that should run parallel to the renewable space. This is due to the limitations in technology as well as development costs. Yet, the recent developments of battery technology has reduced cost substantially and made it feasible for application at a commercial level. As seen in the graphs here, the cost of battery hardware has dropped substantially and is predicted to drop much further in the future. Now, let's move on to what value STPK is bringing into this market. They are essentially streamlining and providing a fully packaged solution for utility companies. STEM's solution can provide integrations with hardware such as batteries and the grid, such as the network, while also using an AI-powered software solution to optimize their energy storage solutions. This solution could possibly replace other pure-play companies in the value chain, which is key for their growth in the future. Moving on to the importance of their AI software called Athena. Athena is an operating system for energy distribution and storage systems, collecting big data that enables customers to alternate between on-site generation, grid power, or battery power. This proprietary AI software behind the battery storage has 20 proprietary patents on it. STEM has 24 patents total on its software and battery storage technologies, and Athena automates system operation. The platform understands market complexity by digesting datasets such as rate structures, solar production forecasts, price signals, and market participation rules. It responds near instantaneously to these inputs to drive the most value for STEM's customers. So I believe Athena is definitely a huge part of their value proposition and truly could be revolutionary, since simply being a battery storage won't put them at any unique advantage over their competitors. But by making such storage more efficient, it will save large costs for their customers. It is a large part of their moat. As mentioned before, they have 24 issued patents, so no competitor can replicate it. For financials, first, it's important to understand that they have a hardware and software business. I will mention the most important figures you need to know here, but if you want to see a more detailed account, you can look at STEM's presentation attached in the description below. Now, STEM increased revenue from 17 million to 33 million year over year, and it is expected to increase to 147 billion in 2021. One very important fact to note is that 90% of the forecasted 2021 revenues are from closed executed contracts, not pipeline. Therefore, this could suggest they're under-promising and over-delivering. They are also predicted to have 81% CAGR from 2020 to 2026. Gross margins have hovered around 12 to 18% since 2018, but expected to increase to 40% by 2026. Software revenue expected to account for 30% of the total revenues by 2026, as it is at 14 million today. Therefore, it is predicted to reach 240 million by 2026. A majority of their revenue are from their hardware segment, but it will be interesting to see how Athena contributes to their financials moving forward, as it seems like Athena has been continuously improved in the past 5 years with their existing customers, like at beta stage. So I believe since it's more mature now, they can scale quickly soon. Quickly going over the future of the industry, firstly, all major global markets forecasted will double in the next decade. Further, over the next decade, the US market is expected to grow at a 45% CAGR, and a global market is expected to grow 31% CAGR, as well as future tailwinds with improvements in the regulatory structure. Let's briefly talk about their competitors as well, and how they compare to Tesla, as we know a large part of Tesla's valuation is in their energy business. Going back to STEM, in fact, they actually use batteries from Tesla, Samsung, and Panasonic. In this graph here, you can see in terms of storage capacity commissioned up to Q3 of 2020, STEM is actually leading. In conclusion, I believe this pick and shovel play within the renewable space will have great growth in the future. So please consider leaving a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this.